can a person in debt donate money if he has small debts like 100 rubles, 100 Russian rubles? Jazakallahu khairan. May Allah give you a long and a healthy life. The question posed by Abdurrahman is that can a person who is in debt donate or give in charity if the debt is small, maybe 1,000 rubles, and 1,000 Russian ruble is somewhat equivalent to less than 15 US dollars. Less than 15 US dollars. So can you give charity if your debt is a small amount of less than 15 US dollars? The ruling for giving charity for a person who is in debt is that if your debt, the due date is later on, maybe a few weeks later or few months later, and you know that during that date where your debt is due, you will be able to give that amount, then you are permitted to give charity now. If the date of debt is later on, few days, few weeks or few months later, and you know that after giving this charity, yet you can pay the debt which is due a few days later or few weeks later or few months later, then you are permitted to give charity today. But if you know that if you give charity today and when that due date later on, few days later on or few weeks or few months later, you will not be able to give that debt on time, then it becomes haram for you to give charity. Because paying debt on time is fard and giving charity is mustahab. Even if you are zakat, you have to give. There is no zakat for a debtor. So zakat doesn't become fard on you if you are a debtor. So zakat doesn't become fard. And normal charity is mustahab, that's also not fard. So nowhere can you do a mustahab. And because of the mustahab, if you are doing a haram act, it is prohibited to do that mustahab. So here, if you are in debt, and if you know by giving charity you will not be able to fulfill the debt which is later on, then giving the debt is haram. But if you know that the debt is there, and the time for debt is yet remaining, few days, few months, few years, or few weeks, and you know that after giving the charity, when the date of debt is due, you will be able to pay the debt, it is permitted, it is mustahab, you can give the charity today. If your debt is immediate, and if you say that can I give charity, if you have enough money to pay the debt which is immediate and give charity, no problem. But if you know by giving this charity today, my debt which is there today, I will not be able to fulfill it, I will not be able to pay it, then that debt is fard. You have to pay the debt, and giving the charity becomes mustahab. If you give charity and you are unable to pay the debt, then giving that charity becomes haram. So now coming to your question, the debt is very small, 1,000 rubles. Can I give charity? If the debt is later on, and by giving this charity, when the time of debt comes, you can pay that 1,000 rubles, no problem, give this charity, it is mustahab. If your date of debt is immediate, and if after giving this charity yet you have 1,000 rubles to pay that debt, you can give the charity. But after giving the charity, if you cannot pay the 1,000 rubles, then giving that charity becomes haram. So I hope this clarifies and very clear that don't do a mustahab act and involve yourself in haram. Because paying debt on time is important, and there are various hadith which say that a Sahaba who did not fulfill his debt and he died, the Prophet did not read the Salatul Janazah of that Sahaba. And the debt was very small. Until another Sahaba came and paid his debt, then the Prophet read the Salatul Janazah. Imagine the Prophet did not even pray the funeral prayer of a Sahaba who had debt. Unless another Sahaba came and paid his debt, then the Prophet prayed the funeral prayers. Therefore, keeping a debt, if you die, is a major sin, and if you have the means, if you pay charity and don't pay the debt, that means you are giving charity with somebody else's money, and that charity will not be accepted. Because it's somebody else's money, you're not giving that money, you're giving charity, charity is only acceptable if it is with your money. And the Prophet is very clear with that. That the charity is only accepted if it's your money, it's independent, not with other people's money. Hope that answers the question.